Hi, myself Aisha Malik. I am a digital creator, which includes video creation, video editing, and voiceover artist. My first project on Upwork was video creation and voiceover artist. Let me tell you one thing. Before creating profile on Upwork, I have previously 10 years experience in video creation, video editing, and as a voiceover artist. I made an Upwork profile and complete my profile step by step. So Upwork gave me a rising talent badge for completion of profile, and also I submitted the whole documents correctly. Now, this is very important part for newcomers who join to Upwork as a full-time freelancer or part-time freelancer. Please watch this video carefully. And that rising talent badge boosted my Upwork profile and I got my first invitation from client. See, this is the benefit when you submit correct information and clear all steps of verification. And that's how I completed my first job of video creation and voiceover artist. Make sure all documents should be verified before you create a work profile. I did not even write a single cover letter to the client because when I was doing my first project, I did not have any experience of writing a cover letter for the client. So that's all for today. I will come back soon with another video.